We're going to pay attention to cucumber. We know what is cucumber and we take it almost every time. You buy it if you go to market. But, but cucumber has its own health benefit that we really need to pay attention to. Number one health benefit of cucumber is it strengthens the bone. Cucumber are high in vitamin K, which help to strengthen the bone, and also it protect cancer. It protect cancer, or you can say it prevent cancer happening in your body. So it's very very important that you pay attention to cucumber and go and make your own research and know more about it, and also I know more about